Hi there, I'm Anne-Louise Underwood, one of the co-founders, and welcome to Membo Noticeboard. I'd like to do an introduction to the system, and I'll do a short overview of the app and a short overview of the online hub so that you can understand how it all works together in order to get the best value for you. The first thing I'd like to mention though is that multiple people can be allowed to update the notice board and they'll all use the same account credentials, unlike some other systems. The second thing is that if you are supporting someone who's a bit confused or not technologically able, there's no need for that person to touch the device to view the notice board once it's set up. The last thing is that if you are working with support teams, we can help you enable them to manage their own appointments. That can take some of the strain from you, and it will also ensure that the information displayed is always accurate. The system has two parts. The app displays appointments, notes, and photos on tablets and mobile phones, and the online hub provides a larger area to work in with a number of important additional features, like the ability for one-time creation of recurring appointments, a central place for members to share information and notes away from the notice board, member device management, and your account details, amongst other things. When you first install the app, you will join an existing membership or create a new one. In either case, once the account and password are populated, you will need to enable the settings that are relevant for the device you are setting up, and I will go through that section shortly. To join an existing membership, click the settings button and put in the account number and password and give your device a name, which makes it easy to identify you in the device management area of the hub. To create a new membership, click the button and complete your details, including a login and password that you will need to log into the online hub, so don't forget to keep a note of these for your reference later. When you click the Start Your New Membership button, you will be taken to the settings area where your account and password have already been created and also now appear in your details in the hub. Whilst some of these settings won't be relevant for you, they may be relevant for the person you're supporting. I recommend that you scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click the Setting Guides button, where you can read a detailed description of each of these settings. Changing settings is very simple. You will be presented with an on-off button or a drop-down list, or you may need to type in a number, as is the case for the font size. When you've completed your changes, use the back arrow at the top to go back to the main screen. To go to the notice board, choose the View Notice Board button at the bottom of the screen, and you're presented with three display options. The first tab is the summary. This displays 2 days of appointments and all of the notes. The Notes tab displays just the notes, and the Appointments tab displays 14 days of appointments. We are working here on a mobile phone screen, so we're needing to scroll to view all of the information. Tablet screens, of course, are much larger, so the summary and notes sections will be able to be viewed without the need to scroll. From the app, it's possible to create appointments and notes. Visitors like cleaners and support workers can type and send an attendance record directly to the hub, and you can upload a photo for temporary display. To upload a photo, click the button at the bottom of the screens and go through the steps. The amount of time that the photo will be allowed to take over the screen for is dictated by the Revert to settings that you've chosen for this device. Creating a new note or a new appointment is very simple to do. Choose the tab, choose Manage, and then choose Add a New Note, and then type the information. It is a from and to scenario, so we'll start this note on the 31st and we're going to complete it on the 7th of April. The priority is about where it will sit in the list. We're going to just choose Important and then save the note. And here you see the new note is created and here it is in the list. Creating appointments is similarly easy. Choose the Appointments tab, choose Manage, and then New Appointment, and put the information in. Choose a date and we're going to leave it at the 31st, and then choose a time, and we'll change that time easily to 3 and choose Save Appointment. And there you see it appears on the list And if we go back to the Appointments tab, we're going to refresh the data to make sure that it's been updated. And then we just see that there's that new appointment. The other thing that can be done from this screen is adding an attendance record. Very simply, an attendance record from the nurse, and all good. And then just choose Save. And that has gone straight up into the online hub where all of the members can read it. As I mentioned, the hub provides a larger canvas, but also a range of additional options that are not available in the app. Firstly, there's a full function diary, and mainly that enables you to create multiple appointments very easily, but also to create recurring appointments just once. This is the list of things that will affect the notice board: the appointments, the notes which appear in the notes section, photographs which can be displayed for a short period of time, and also you can send notifications to one or all of the devices under your membership. The next part is the records section. These are the attendance records that have been sent directly from the notice board, and you'll see there's that last one that we created. There's a general notes section for all kinds of information, travel plans, whatever it is that needs to be shared among the members, and also medical related notes. Neither the medical related notes nor the general notes are related to any part of the system. They are simply operational in this area, whereas the attendance records, as we said, is directly related to the notice board. In all cases, these notes can be exported as a PDF or as an Excel document. All of the devices are listed in this area, and there are a range of options for changing, for example, the access for that device. Also under this list is the battery alert. If a battery on a device is getting flat, you can organise for an automated alert to arrive on your phone or by email to inform you of this fact. Very handy if you're supporting someone. There's a range of tutorials in here, and you can just pick and choose as you need to, and of course the Your Details in your account section. You can change any of the information in your account, including your login details, at any time, and your membership details also appear here. Well, I hope that the introduction has helped you to understand Membo and to feel able to go now and put it into place practically. We have a range of tutorials, written guides, and videos that are all available on our website, and our user manual is a comprehensive guide to how to use the system. All of this information I'll put up at the end of this video, and in the meantime, thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.